What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another KeyShot Quick Tip. In this video, we're talking about scene templates. If you've ever wanted an easy way to stage multiple products in a consistent environment, then using KeyShot's scene templates feature is the best way to do that. Let's start by talking about where to find your templates. Whether it's on startup or by hitting the shortcut W at any time, you'll find a new scenes tab inside the KeyShot welcome window. If you select that tab, you'll see all the scene templates you've previously saved, as well as the default scene templates that KeyShot has included with the installer. As of now, you can see that the templates I have visible are the default templates I just mentioned. You'll find a large, medium, and small template, as well as our startup environment. I'm going to jump into the large template to give you an idea of how they work. With the template open, you'll notice that our camera is locked by default and a blue box is placed as the subject of the scene. The blue box is simply a placeholder that's designed to give you a sense of scale, as well as the intended placement of a model. The box is also in its own model set, so if you need to toggle it on or off, just locate the placeholder model set and click the checkbox attached to it. However, I tend to leave it on as a reference point while I'm staging my model. In this case, I'm using an already textured model that I've saved under my Models tab for the sake of demonstration. Once placed, I'll go ahead and unlock my camera and adjust my model's positioning. I'll set my camera angle and then toggle off my placeholder before rendering. And voila, here we have our finalized image. Of course, you could always adjust lighting as needed, but this gives you an idea of the image quality that you can achieve just by dragging and dropping a model into the scene. Now let's talk about making your own template. So here I have a scene I've already put together. It's a very basic scene, but I just wanted a clean, somewhat minimalist environment to stage products in. I have a few physical lights aside from my HDRI lighting, and I also have a ground plane, a rounded cylinder as a platform for my product, and a backdrop. Aside from that, I've included a single camera as a hero shot, which you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and delete the bottle in the center of the screen since my goal is to have an empty scene template for any product I might want to stage. I'll then locate the File menu and go down to my Save Scene template. Once selected, my Save Template window will open, and then from here, I can select which elements of the scene I want to include. In this case, the only two things I don't have are studios and animations. Other than that, I plan on including everything else. You'll also notice that I have two model sets in the scene. If I click the drop down next to geometry, you'll see that both of those model sets are selected here, which means that the geometry tied to both will be included in the final scene template. At this point, I'll name my template and hit save. And then, as I mentioned in the beginning, you can access the newly created scene template from the welcome window on startup or by hitting the shortcut W. So next time you're looking for a fast way to stage products within KeyShot, consider trying out one of KeyShot's default scene templates or experiment with making one of your own. And as always, if you're interested in more useful KeyShot content, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and don't forget to let us know your thoughts on this quick tip in the comment section below.